The moment you walk in, it smells amazing. Oh, you see it, you see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. We here.
Time. Personally, I don't like to edit. Some people like to edit, but you guys all know and see. For this year, it's going to be kind of spicy, kind of sweet. 김치.
냉면 두 개, 냉면 두 개. 이런 거 다 찍어요, 이런 거. 아빠, 여기가 비빔국수예요?
Spicy cold noodle? I'll take it. Thank you. 감사합니다.
저 찍는 사람들 왜 저렇게 껍질을 찍고 있다.
아, 짜증.
As you can see, that shit was absolutely fucking delicious. But we not done yet. Hold up, wait a minute. I thought I was finished. I don't even know what that is, but let's go walk around a little bit. I definitely got one more meal in me before we get dessert. What will it be? I definitely want some food, but I don't know what kind of food to get.
저거 있어. 김말이 내가 냉동 김말이 하는 거 있어.
Not in the mood for tteokbokki. Honestly, it might have to be one of these things. That shit looks crazy. The good kind of crazy though. Fish omelet, actual fish. I'm gonna get one of those. What am I gonna eat? What am I gonna eat? So this place is kind of packed. I see some old Korean people eating here, so it might be the one. I don't know what to get. 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 감사합니다. I only know how to say 3 things in Korean. 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, and 추합니다. That's it. The third one is flirting. It's like a pancake burger, I think, but I don't care. Wow, the Twitch streamers.
Oh, hello.
Hello. 안녕하세요.
Oh, handsome boy.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. YouTuber, yeah. YouTuber. 안녕하세요. Twitch? Or
아프리카 TV.
아프리카 TV. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
와, 멋있다.
무슨 털만
추합니다.
아니, 한국말은 언제부터 이렇게 배운 거예요? 우와, 잘한다.
I don't speak Korean. I don't. Korean, I don't know. Yeah.
한국말 잘 못하죠.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 네. 감사합니다.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
내가 만약에 내 가지고 한 30분 가는데.
Wow. Oh my god. This is really good. some kind of meat pancake, but I'm not here to tell you guys what things are because I don't know what they are. I just know if it's good or not. And everything I've had so far is really good. Honey mustard and spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo.
Okay. Bye bye. 감사합니다. Wow. Korean people do everything the best. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. Don't listen to them. Always be on the come up. Okay. This is like kind of dessert, kind of not dessert because it has sugar on it, so it's like dessert, but it's also a hot dog with cheese and sausage, so hopefully I have room for dessert, which I will.
저기는 파스 같은 건 하나씩만 먹고
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
해도 얼마 안 돼?
감사합니다. I already know what this tastes like because I had it before, but so good. It's fresh out the fryer. Honestly, this is a delicious dessert. 감사합니다. Apparently this is water. I thought it was iced tea. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I'm full. So that's it for today, because I gotta go do some stuff. But fire market, great food. If you're in Korea, you definitely gotta come. And with that being said, I have no clue what this video is gonna be about, but we'll see. Korean people are really funny. Okay. See you guys.